Good day. A gateway to the world is right here in Tianjin, China. Today, we are taking you inside one of the most advanced and strategic ports in the world, the Tianjin port.
Located on the Bohai Sea, Tianjin Port is one of the busiest and most advanced maritime gateways in the world. It connects with over 500 ports in 180 countries and serves as a key hub of the Belt and Road Initiative. More than 100 foreign journalists from Asia Pacific and Eurasia countries visit the Tianjin port. The delegation tour one of the top 10 advanced ports in the world, where fully automated terminals, AI-operated cranes, and unmanned vehicles are transforming the port's operation. During the tour, the reporters were impressed not only by the port's technology but also by its commitment to green practices. The port official said its blend of scale, technology, and sustainability makes it a model for future global shipping.
We have built 5 land-based wind turbines that are over 100 meters high and are covered with solar panels. Using an integrated green energy system of wind, light, and storage to meet our own needs and supply externally. For ships which are major emitters, we have built a shore power system that different ships can quickly connect to, achieving zero emissions during berthing operations. As the world's first zero-carbon terminal and a national 5-star green port, we will continue to explore green productive forces and protect biodiversity.
The port handles more than 700 million tons of cargo each year, including over 20 million containers, placing it among the global top 10. The port is a model for global South nations seeking to boost trade and sustainable growth. Filomeno Martins, TATOLI News, Tianjin, China.
Stay with us for more updates.